What's up, fam? Today we're going to be going over how to do a prayer curl.
And this is the prayer curl. As far as the elbow placement goes, you want to make sure that the elbows are kept close to the hip to isolate the biceps. And as far as the hand placement goes, the palm should be up with the fingers flat against the bottom of the dumbbell. And the primary target of this exercise is the bicep brachii. And let's try not to do this. Flaring the elbows will still allow you to target the biceps, however, it will cause a shorter range of motion, which will also result in a less effective workout. And here's a good way to waste your time while performing this exercise. So excessively swinging the weight, you're essentially not getting anything out of this exercise. Remember, always, slow and controlled wins the race. And one more time to show you how it's done.
All right, fam, and that's how we do a prayer curl. Until next time.